Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Chilltalk English. My name is Henry, and I am here with Emma.
Hi, friends. I'm Emma. I'm really happy you're here today.
Today, we have a topic that many learners fear.
But we will make it easy.
We will make it less scary.
Today, we talk about phrasal verbs,
Yes, those little verb plus word pairs.
like a verb and a small word, such as up, on, out, or in.
And together, they make a new meaning.
Exactly. And you hear them all the time in real English.
When I first learned about them, I felt small. Do you know that?
Henry, you always say that.
Because it's true. I was like, why is English doing this to me?
English is like a big puzzle sometimes.
But here's the good news. You do not need to learn 500 phrasal verbs today.
Yes, you just need a few, and you need to hear them in simple stories.
That is what we will do.
And we will practice together. You can repeat after us if you want.
Also, quick reminder, if you like this episode, please subscribe to Chill Talk English
And share it with a friend who is learning English.
and leave a comment. Tell us one phrasal verb you want to learn.
Great. Okay, Henry, are you ready?
I think so. Let's start.
First, a super simple question. Henry, how is your day?
My day is interesting.
Interesting can mean good or bad.
It means I had a small disaster this morning.
Oh, tell us. What happened?
Okay, so this morning my alarm did not go off,
Oh no.
so I did not wake up on time.
Great first phrasal verb, wake up. It means stop sleeping.
Yes, I woke up late. Then I had to get up fast.
Get up means leave the bed or stand up.
Right, I got up and I ran to the bathroom.
And then,
Then I tried to put on my clothes very quickly.
put on means wear clothes.
But my shirt was inside out.
That happens to everyone.
I wanted to take off the shirt and fix it.
Take off means remove clothes.
Yes, but I heard my phone ring.
Oh, did you pick up the phone?
I did. I picked it up. It was my friend Ben.
Pick up can mean answer the phone.
Ben said, "Henry, are you coming to the job interview today?"
Job interview. That's important.
I said, yes, of course." But I was not ready at all.
So you needed to hurry.
I told Ben, I will call back in 5 minutes.
Call back means return a phone call.
Then I ended the call. I hung up.
Hang up means end the call.
After that, I looked around my room. It was messy.
Uh-oh.
I needed my papers for the interview, but I could not find them.
So you had to look for them.
Yes, I looked for my papers everywhere.
Look for means search.
I checked my desk, I checked my bag, I checked the floor.
And did you find them?
No, I started to freak out.
Okay, that one is a little informal, but very common. Freak out means feel very scared or nervous.
I was like, this is it. My life is over.
Henry, your life is not over.
Thank you. You're very kind.
So what did you do next?
I tried to calm down.
Calm down means become calm.
I said to myself, Henry, calm down, breathe.
Good advice for English and for life.
Then I decided to clean up my desk.
Clean up means make a place tidy.
And guess what? I came across the papers.
Nice. Come across means find by chance.
Yes, they were under a book.
So you did not find them by searching carefully. You found them by accident.
Exactly. I came across them while I cleaned up.
That's a great little story already, and we have many phrasal verbs.
But I still had another problem.
What problem?
My printer was not working.
Oh no.
I tried to turn on the printer.
Turn on means start a machine, like a light or a computer.
Nothing happened, so I tried to plug in the cable.
Great one. Plug in means connect to electricity.
Then it worked. The printer turned on.
Nice save.
But then it printed 10 extra pages
Why?
because I clicked the button too many times. I really messed up.
So you needed to throw away the extra pages?
Yes, I threw away the extra pages.
Throw away means put in the trash.
After that, I needed to leave. I grabbed my bag and tried to head out.
Head out means leave or go out.
But my neighbor knocked on my door.
Uh-oh, did she want to talk?
Yes, she said, "Henry, can you look after my cat today?"
Look after means take care of.
I said, "I'm sorry, I can't. I have an interview."
That's fair.
She looked sad, so I said, "Maybe I can stop by later."
Stop by means visit for a short time, often without a long plan.
Yes, I said I can stop by after the interview.
Great, so you left the house.
I did. I walked to the bus stop.
Did the bus come on time?
No, the bus was late, and it really held me up.
Hold someone up means delay someone.
Exactly. I was delayed.
So what did you do?
I checked my phone, and I tried to figure out a new plan.
Figure out means find the answer or understand.
I figured out that I could take the train instead.
Smart.
But then I realized I did not have my wallet.
Oh no, Henry.
I had to go back home.
Go back means return.
Yes, I went back home, got my wallet, and then I ran again.
That is a workout.
It was. When I finally got to the interview building, I was sweating.
But you arrived.
I arrived, and I met the manager.
Were you nervous?
Yes, my hands were shaking a little.
So you tried to calm down again.
I did, and the manager was friendly.
That helps a lot.
He said, "Let's go over your resume."
Great phrasal verb. Go over means review or check carefully.
We went over it together.
Nice.
Then he asked me a hard question, and my brain stopped working.
That happens.
I wanted to give up,
Give up means stop trying.
but I remembered something you always say.
Oh? What do I always say?
You say, "Don't give up, just keep it simple."
Yes. Keep it simple.
So I did not give up. I tried again. I answered slowly.
That's great.
Then the manager said, "Okay, let's wrap up."
Wrap up means finish.
Yes, he said, "We will call you tomorrow."
And you left the building.
I walked outside and I finally chilled out.
Chill out means relax. It's informal but common.
I really needed to chill out.
So, Henry, what is the big lesson from your morning?
My lesson is phrasal verbs are everywhere and my life is full of small drama.
Both are true.
Now, let's teach this in a super clear way.
Yes. Friends, here is a simple idea. A phrasal verb is usually
A verb plus a small word.
the small word can be an adverb or a preposition.
But for beginners, you can just think verb plus small word.
And together, the meaning can change.
Sometimes the meaning is clear, like sit down,
Yes, sit down is easy. It means sit.
and stand up means stand.
But sometimes the meaning is not clear, like give up.
Right, give plus up does not tell you the meaning.
So you learn it like one unit, give up.
Now we will do 3 mini parts today.
Part 1, daily life phrasal verbs.
Part 2, social phrasal verbs for friends.
Part 3, a short practice story you can copy.
Let's start with part 1.
Okay, daily life. Henry, I will say a situation, you say a phrasal verb.
I will try. Please be gentle.
Situation 1, you are in bed. Morning comes.
Wake up.
Good. And then you leave the bed.
Get up.
Great. Situation 2, it's cold. You wear a jacket.
Put on a jacket.
Nice. Situation 3, you enter a home and you remove shoes.
Take off your shoes.
Perfect. Situation 4, your room is messy. You make it nice.
Clean up.
Yes. Situation 5, you start the TV.
Turn on the TV.
Situation 6, you stop the TV.
Turn off the TV.
Awesome. Situation 7, you connect your phone to power.
Plug in my phone.
Great. Situation 8, you look for your glasses.
Look for my glasses.
Good job.
Thank you. I feel like a real English speaker now.
You are a real English speaker, Henry.
Okay, part 2. Social life.
Yes. Friends, these are very useful when you talk with people.
First one. When you visit a friend for a short time.
That is, stop by.
Example, stop by my house later.
Good. Next, when you join an activity.
Join in.
Yes. Example, join in the game.
Next, when you meet someone by accident.
You can say run into.
Example, I ran into an old classmate.
Great. Next, when you continue doing something.
Keep on.
Yes. Keep on practicing.
Next, when you become less nervous.
Calm down.
Calm down. It's okay.
Next, when you relax after work.
Chill out.
Perfect.
Now, part 3 is the fun part.
Yes. Friends, we will do a short role-play story. It will be easy. You can shadow us.
Shadowing means you repeat right after we speak.
Yes, you can copy our rhythm and pronunciation.
Okay, Emma, you start the story.
It's Saturday. Henry wants to meet me at a cafe.
I feel confident. I think today will be easy.
But Henry's phone is at 2%.
I plug in my phone.
Henry gets dressed.
I put on a clean shirt.
Henry looks in the mirror.
I take off my hat. My hair looks wild.
It's okay. You look fine.
Thank you. I head out to the cafe.
On the way, Henry sees a poster for a free movie night.
I come across a cool poster.
Henry wants to tell Emma, so he calls her.
I call Emma, but she does not answer.
Sorry, I was busy.
So I say, no problem. I will call back later.
Henry arrives at the cafe, but I am not there.
I wait and I start to freak out a little.
Henry, breathe.
I try to calm down.
Then Henry sees me outside the cafe.
Oh, I run into Emma right in front of the door.
We laugh and go inside.
We sit down and order drinks.
The cafe is busy. The worker says, "Sorry, the machine is broken."
The broken machine holds us up.
We wait, we talk, we practice English.
Henry says, Henry, don't give up on your English.
Yes, and I say, just keep on going.
Then the worker fixes the machine.
We get our drinks, Henry relaxes.
I finally chill out.
Then Henry remembers the movie night poster.
I say, let's go over the plan.
We review the plan together.
We decide to invite more friends.
We text our friends and say, please join in.
After an hour, we pay and leave.
We say, okay, let's wrap up and go.
We head out and walk home.
The end.
That story felt simple. I like that.
Friends, if you can understand that story, you are doing great.
Now let's do a quick review for listeners.
Yes, Henry, I will say the meaning, you say the phrasal verb.
Okay, please don't make it too hard.
Meaning 1, relax.
Chill out.
Meaning 2, continue.
Keep on.
Meaning 3, review.
Go over.
Meaning 4, finish.
Wrap up.
Meaning 5, meet by chance.
Run into.
Meaning 6, find by chance.
Come across.
Meaning 7, search.
Look for.
Meaning 8, wear.
Put on.
Meaning 9, remove.
Take off.
Meaning 10, delay.
Hold up.
Perfect.
Friends, here is one small tip.
Yes?
Henry, don't try to learn phrasal verbs as a long list
Learn them in mini stories like we did today.
and use them in your own life.
For example, tonight you can say, I will clean up my room.
Or, I need to plug in my phone.
Or, I ran into my neighbor.
And if you feel stressed, say, I need to calm down.
Beautiful.
Also, it's normal to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
I still make mistakes, and I teach English.
Same. And it's okay.
Before we go, let's do a tiny speaking challenge.
Friends, you can answer out loud.
Question 1. What time do you usually wake up?
Question 2, what do you put on when it's cold?
Question 3. What helps you chill out?
Great. Say your answers slowly.
And repeat again tomorrow.
Okay, friends, we are almost done.
Let's wrap up this episode.
Thank you for learning with us on Chilltalk English.
If this helped you, please subscribe and share.
And comment one sentence using a phrasal verb from today.
We read your comments. They make us happy.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep on practicing.
Bye.